2018 Kawasaki Mule SX 4x4. The bed is off now, as you can tell. What was happening is this was, see how it's really super loose, there's no cable. That was all the way down to here. It was about halfway before the cable actually would engage into four-wheel drive. So it was just sitting here like this. It wouldn't actually, it wasn't catching the right spot like now it is. So couldn't figure it out. Wouldn't come out of four-wheel drive. It was stuck. A little bit of brake clean on this fella right around here. That guy. Right there. Brake clean all around this area, or carb clean, and then loosen, and then lube it up. Just lube it up, doesn't matter with what, just lube it up good, then make your adjustment. A lot of slack on the cable. Mine took almost the full adjustment to make it right. So if it gets loose up there in the four-wheel drive area and it won't go back into two-wheel drive, then what you do is this is getting gummed up and sticking. So you clean this with brake clean, all of this. There's underneath that, there's a spring, a loaded spring, as you can tell right there's the clip. So clean that up, lube it all up down here, and then make your adjustment on your cables there. They're 10 millimeters. And then you should have full grip going from two-wheel drive, four-wheel drive, pressure all the way back up to at least here. That's where the pressure stops for me. That's a full adjustment on that cable. So once it's lubed up and it's actually done, it'll go into four-wheel drive, and then it'll come out of four-wheel drive and go back into two-wheel drive. Taking the bed off is not hard. Two cotter pins that go through here, because you have a pin that goes through and then a cotter pin that goes through it. Another pin that goes through, cotter pin that goes through it, and the mud flap underneath. So in order to get those out, you have to take out the bottom two screws on the mud flaps and then kind of push it down and finagle it out. Hope that helps. If you have any other questions, I didn't see anything on the internet for it, so just going by the seat of my pants.